In the eye of the storm, the Chief Security Officer stands resolute. Preparedness and decisive, swift action is your charter, because when danger looms, every second matters. Chaos thrives where communication falters. Delayed responses can mean risk to safety, productivity loss, and a tarnished reputation. The cost? Immeasurable. Enter Everbridge Mass Notification, the most reliable communication platform in the industry. Confidently connect with all your employees, unifying messages, mobilizing teams, restoring order. Imagine a day where your directives reach far and wide, with precision, where certainty replaces doubt, and informed decisions drive actions. This is a day empowered by Everbridge. Deliver messages in the blink of an eye across an expansive spectrum of channels. With the robust Everbridge network, embracing over 100 modalities, your messages get delivered everywhere. This is the promise of Everbridge, safeguarding your people, ensuring operational continuity. In moments where every second matters, Everbridge empowers resilience. Forge the path to unparalleled preparedness. Fortify your critical communications with Everbridge. Together, let's shape a resilient future.